All right, here we have two circles. We have circle G, it says is centered at 0, 0, and the center of circle G prime is at 1, 1. So some important things to note is that this is G and this is G prime. The radius of circle G is 5 units, and the radius of circle G prime is 4 units. So G is 5, G prime is 4. So I want to know what number am I multiplying by to get from G to G prime, and then how did the center point move? Okay, so if I get from G to G prime, I see that it's getting smaller. So I want to create a scale factor. This part tells me this is a dilation. This C is going to be my scale factor. And your scale factor is what you're multiplying by. So if I'm getting smaller, I know I have to put the smaller number on top and the bigger number on bottom, because I can get smaller if the fraction is a number that's less than 1. If my circle was getting larger, then I would put the bigger number on top and the smaller number on bottom, because I have to multiply by a number greater than 1 to get larger. So this is my scale factor, this is my C. I could put in C as a fraction of 4/5, or I could enter it as a decimal of 0.8. So I could put 4 divided by 5 in my calculator and get 0.8. Either way would be marked correct. It doesn't specify if I have to put a fraction or a decimal in. Okay, so now I know what my dilation was. Next, it's asking me, how did my center point move? This is a translation. Okay, looking at my graph, I'm going from G to G prime. We always do our left and right first. In this case, this went to the right 1, and then we do up and down, and it went up 1. So both moves were a 1 unit. So my D value is going to be 1. I added 1 to X and I added 1 to Y.